Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. It gives me a great pleasure for the third year, walillah alhamd, that I will share with you the news of the registration for our year of knowledge is currently open for year one. Let me tell you what is year of knowledge. We as Muslim women, we need to learn our deen. And there is two ways. Either I'm going to be an expert, I am going to make it as a career, and that's great. But majority of the women, mothers, future mothers, daughters, we cannot do this for many reasons. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a wisdom and hikmah for not having this. So what do we need to do? I still need to learn. And there is subjects that's called fardu ayn. It's an individual obligation on every woman. And that's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed us to do in Jannah Institute, where we designed a program, walillah alhamd, and we took in consideration the average Muslim woman who really need to learn her deen. Where, number one, Arabic is not a requirement. And the goal is not to graduate as scholars, rather to graduate women who knows their deen, practically apply it daily life, and can change herself first, and inshallah, by Allah's grace, can have an influence and impact on the people around her. Second, it's open to every woman, every age, wherever you are in the world. It's an online program where basically for the year one, we will learn 4 basic subjects. And these are actually, bi'idhnillah, myself as a teacher, and I am so honored to have amazing scholars that will be also teaching with me, walillah alhamd. It is not going to be every single day, and we designed it in a way that, again, the average woman can accommodate it. And also it is recorded, and it is open. The recording will be for the students. All these details and way much more, you will find it on our website. So just visit us and you will find it. But the main thing I want to share with you is from the feedback we got for the last 2 years, walillah alhamd, is all the students agreed that learning for the sake of Allah changed their life. This is something we all have to do. Ask Allah to make it easy. We check the website, check the program. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We have the coordinators. We have amazing women who are working to make this bi'idhnillah happen. But don't miss an opportunity to learn, and to learn for the sake of Allah, so you can become bi'idhnillah the Muslim woman you want to be and Allah wants you to be. And hopefully I will see you soon bi'idhnillah.